Please observe, under double quotation whatever you are providing, under double quotation whatever you are providing, double quotation content. Inside a double quotation, whatever you are specifying, that is a string. Even you can supply uppercase, lowercase, digits, special characters, and even blank. It is called as a string value. So whatever I provided over here through 2 forward slashes, this content is a comment content. Comment. This will not be considering by Java C command or Java command. It is not an actual statement. It is only comment or description. You can provide some description inside your program for further usage. Description or comment. One line comment, single line comment, one line comment, single line comment, description, comment. Try save as a.java in the app1 folder of June batch. App1 src class a.java. Click on save. App1 folder src, app1 folder src a.java. So here two things we are understanding. One is, what is a string? Under double quotation, anything whatever you supply, that is a string. It can be lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, special characters, digits, blank, whatever it may be. If something is under double quotation, it is a string. Second point, single line comment. 2 forward slashes are used for commenting one line. Why do we require commenting? To provide some kind of description. It is not for compiler or runtime. You are not expecting any result from the line number 5. Line number 5 here, it is only for commenting purpose, description purpose. Now, try compiling and running, everybody. How we can compile? We know very well. Select the address bar. From the a.java, select address bar. Select address bar, cmd, press enter. Trigger Java C command with a -d option, a.java. Compile a class file keeping in the classes folder. Then go to the classes folder. I can also go to the classes folder step by step. Trigger Java command to run class A. You can see the output of class A. Done, everybody? Let us develop another Java file. Please observe, everybody. Class name B. First time I'm printing one number. By using system.out.println, we can print anything. We can print anything. It can be 0 also, negative also. This type of values are called as a int values. I'll provide under comment, int values. Save it as b.java. So try compiling b.java. We are in the classes folder. I can go back, go to the src, trigger java c command with b.java. Come to the classes folder. Running class B. Check everybody. Simple int type. Done everybody? Int type values we have seen. Any number without a decimal, it can be negative number, it can be 0 or positive number. Number without a decimal is treated as a int. Come to the next one. Class name C. I can mention the comments anywhere. Single line can be commented at any place. Double values are with a decimal. The decimal can be even dot zero. Negative values as well. 0.0 also as well. Any decimal value, even dot zero also. Double values. Try compiling and running. Go to the src folder. I can go for like this. C.java. Come to the classes folder. In a single command. Simple guys. Come to the next one. Everybody. Class B. Char values. Any one character under single quotation. Any one character under single quotation. It can be even digit. It can be special character. It can be lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, but only one. Digit also. Special character also. Called as a char value. Compile and run. Any one character under single quotation. Done, everybody? Go to the SRC, try compiling d.java. Come to the next one. Crystal clear, in any programming language, you will be finding these type of values. So true and false, these are Boolean values. I can also mention comments. Single line comment. No. After two forward slashes, anything you can. Anything. Anything. After two forward slashes, it's a comment. It won't consider anything. Remember, everybody, guys, true. All characters should be in the lower case, but not under double quotes. If it is under double quotes, it will go as a string. Anything under double quotation is a string. Even true under double quotation also a string, not the Boolean. 1, 2, 3 under double quotation is a string, not the integer. Anything under double quotation is a string. So true, all characters in the lower case. False also, all the characters in the lower case. Not under double quotation. Not under double quotation. Come to the next one. Guys, F class. You can provide a comment under multi-lines. This is the procedure to provide a multi-line comment. Multiple lines for commenting purpose. First one is a string, guys. Second one is a int value. Third one double value. Fourth one char value. Under single quote, anything. Boolean value. So in this program, multi-line comment. How to start the multi-line, how to end the multi-line comment. Any number of lines can be commented in between slash star and star slash. Line number 5 is a starting of multi-line comment. Line number 11 is a ending of multi-line comments. Multi-line comment means multiple lines. Multiple lines. Multiple lines. multi-line comments. Try compiling and running. Come to the classes folder. Try running. Different values we can able to print. Different values we can able to print by using system.out.println. So everybody try finish off all these programs. ABC 10 1.0 under single quotation yes, then false. Come to the next one, everybody. By using system.out.println, we can print anything. Come on, guys. We can print anything. I'm going for some simple mathematical operations. Very simple mathematical operations. Please compile and run. By using SOP, we can print. We can print anything. The results of mathematical operation also. Results of mathematical operation. So here, first one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The last one is a mod operator, modulus. It gives a reminder. Mod operator, it gives a reminder. Modulus operator, it's for reminder purpose. It gives a reminder. Through this program, you should understand like anything can be printed in Java by using system.out.println. The short format is SOP. Anything can be printed. It can be a string, it can be int or double or boolean or char or any operation result. Any operation result. Here, all mathematical operations. Anything can be printed. Anything can be printed. Come on, guys. Anything can be printed by using system.out.println. Let me compile. Guys, compilation should be from SRC. So today I'll show you how we can run from the SRC itself. There is a way to run class file from the SRC even though class file not available in the SRC. We know very well class file is not there in the SRC. It is there in the classes folder. Every time we are going to classes folder to run class file through Java command. Now let us see how we can run class file from the SRC itself, even though class file not available in the SRC. It is available in the classes folder. Trigger Java command. Please follow me. Come to the SRC, everybody. Java space -cp / classes space G. Run, everybody. Java space -cp space / classes press enter. Running or not? Come on, guys. Java space -cp. It is one of the option to the Java command. Java command having one option -cp. CP stands for class path. Come on. CP stands for class path. You are telling path of the class file. Class path. Class path. You are telling path of the class file -cp. Give a space. / classes. Specify class file location. Specify class file location. Afterwards, specify class name. From today onwards, keep using -d option for Java C command, -cp option for Java command. For both options, values are same. Java C command -d option with a value as a / classes. Java command -cp option value as a / classes. That's it. So we know Java C command all the options through -help. Remember? Java C space -help. It is giving every option. We have seen -d in that. Similarly, Java command also having a same -help. Everybody, Java space -help. Press enter. You can see here -cp. Are you able to see? All these three options are same. Please note down completely all these three options. The selected portion. You can use a -cp or -class path or -class -path. All three are one and the same. Whichever you wanted, you can use. Obviously, we will look for the shortest one. That is the first one. We will be using every day -cp to specify where class file is there. -d to specify where class file should be generated. For Java C command -d to specify where class file should be generated. Java command with a -cp to specify where class file is available. Where class file is available. -cp. Guys, come to the H class. Just to develop a hello world program, compile and run. Let me know how many lines of output you'll be getting here. It is a simple hello world program. We are getting 2 lines of output here. Let me show how. If I run this one, totally 2 lines of output. One is a hello world. Second one is a blank line. Most of the people not observing this blank line. Totally 2 lines of output. What println method is doing is, it is printing and going to the next line. In the next line, nothing is printing. That is why we are getting a blank line. Println method having 2 features. One is printing feature. Second one, as soon as printing got over, going to the next line. We can call that as a new line. Come on. Println method having a dual features. Dual, 2 features. One is printing feature. Second one, going to the next line. Going to the next line. Println method, dual features. Printing and producing a new line. Because of that, we are getting 2 lines of output. Come to the next one. I class. I'm going for 2 SOPs. One SOP, we got 2 lines. For 2 SOPs, how many lines you'll be getting? 4 or 5? 4 lines. 24 lines? Come on. 2 SOPs are there. For 1 SOP, 2 lines. 2 SOPs, 24 lines. Please check it out. Only 3 lines of output. I.Java. Try running the I class. Totally 3 lines of output. How come 2 println 3 lines, 1 println 2 lines? Remember everybody, for first println, printing hello world going to the second line. Now cursor is in the second line. For the second println, printing in the second line going to the third line. Come on guys. I repeat once again. While executing this line, hello world is printing going to the second line. Come on. Hello world is printing going to the second line. Now cursor is in the second line. Then running this line. Cursor is in the second line. It is printing hello world in the second line. Once printing got over, going to the third line. Going to the third line. Come to the J class. So maybe ABC, XYZ, hello, test, try saving as a J.Java. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, hello, and test. So please observe, while executing println of ABC, ABC printing in the first line. Why? Because cursor is in the first line while starting. While starting anyhow, cursor will be in the first line. ABC printing, then cursor moving to the second line. Cursor is in the second line, then printing println of XYZ. In the second line, cursor is there and println of XYZ. XYZ is printing in the second line, cursor moving to third line. Cursor is in the third line, then println of hello. Hello is printing in the third line, cursor moving to fourth line. In the fourth line, cursor is there, again println. Fourth line test is executing, going to the fifth line. Yes or no? Fifth one will be blank. No more further execution. This is very important, guys. Println method. Let me compile and run. From now onwards, compilation very very simple. Running also. It won't take more than 5 seconds. You can compile and run. Just up arrow, down arrow. Modify class name and file name. So there are 2 features. Come on, guys. Println producing 2 features. So how to get only 1 feature between 2? Come on, guys. You know Control J. Keep using Control J. Develop this complicated program. Very complicated, right? In case of println, new line is mandated. No matter whether you are printing or not. Come on, guys. Totally two features. Printing feature is optional. New line feature is mandatory. Come on, guys. We cannot avoid new line in the println. You can avoid printing. I used println straight away without anything to print. We are getting a new line. One more, one more, one more, one more. Come on, guys. So totally 5 blank lines initially, then end. After end also one blank line. So we can print blank line. We can print blank line using println method. We cannot avoid a new line through println. We can skip printing portion. You can treat this as a no argument println. No argument println. You're not supplying anything. That is why you can treat that as a no argument println. We can use println without any arguments. Whatever input, whatever values you are sending to the println, those are called as arguments. Come on, guys. So here end is an argument. Argument. In the previous programs also, come on, guys. Whatever you are supplying, these are the arguments. ABC is one argument, XYZ is one argument. Whatever values you are supplying to a method, those values are called as, come on, arguments. You can use no argument println. No argument println is allowed. Println without any argument. Println without any argument. Println without any argument, absolutely possible. Compile and run. If you want to produce just one blank line, go for println without any arguments. Go for println without any argument. We are going for println without any argument. Sir, no. Confusion. Yeah. If you wanted, you can go for one more line. This time, I'm keeping slash n somewhere. Please check it out. What is the program behavior? What stands for slash n? What we are achieving through slash n? Slash n is used for bringing to the next line forcibly, explicitly. Wherever slash n is there, it will be ending the current line, going to the next line to start the remaining thing to print in the next line. Come on, guys. Hello is printing first line. Then going to the second line. World is printing in the second line. After printing completely, println producing third line. Come on, guys. From the third line, H is printing. Then going to the fourth line. In the fourth line, this much content is printing. After finishing, println produce the fifth line. Come on. In the fifth line, he. Then going to the next line, sixth line. Then it is seventh line. Then eighth line is a blank. Yes or no? This understanding very important. See, in the software, for almost all the keys having a hidden meaning, second meaning. Like a main meaning N, alphabet N. The hidden meaning or second meaning is slash N. If you go for slash N, you will be getting a new line. Most of the characters are having two meanings. If you want to get a second meaning, you have to use with a slash. Got it or not? Slash N. Not for every characters, for some of the characters. You can use slash T. T stands for tag. Let us see one example. Understood slash T meaning? You can use any number of slash T's. Most of the characters are having two meanings. See, if you want to get the second meaning, keep using slash. You'll come to know in down the line. As of now, don't worry much. So, as like a, we wanted to know the new line because of println producing automatically new line. This is the right context to know slash m. To know the meaning of second property, I am using slash t also. But lot of characters are there. You will come to know those characters later. Come to the next one. Class O. Everybody. Instead of println, there is another method with a name as print. Just print. No issues. Print method, control J, print method. Print method. Print method having only one feature, that is print feature. Keep on printing. It won't go to the next line. It is retaining in the same line. Retaining in the same line. Print method retains the control. Retains the control in the same line. Retains the control in the same line. Not even blank line. Cursor still it is in the first line only. After execution completely getting over also, it is in the first line only. This is very important. Sometimes you may require to keep on print in the same line. At that time, use the print method. So totally three approaches. While printing, whenever you want it, you can go to the next line through /n method. That is one. Second one. As soon as printing got over, going to the second line, that is printf. Third one. Keep on printing in the same line, retaining in the same line, staying back in the same line. Totally three different approaches. I repeat once again. Everybody. Println method. Once printing got over, going to the next line. Println method. Once printing got over, going to the next line. In the println, while printing, in the middle, if you want to go to the next line, use /n. While printing, not totally printed. We are still in the printing only, but you want to go to the next line. Go for /n. The third approach, keep on printing the same line. Don't go to the next line. Use print method. Use print method. So print method is keep on printing in the same line. Again, I am using print method. Wherever you wanted, you can bring the next line. Print method only. Print is not producing a new line. We are producing new line wherever we wanted. Print method. While printing something, explicitly we are producing a new line. While printing something, explicitly producing a new line. Understood, everyone? A very important point. You cannot use print method without supplying anything. No argument print is not available. This gives compilation error. No argument print method not available. You are getting a compilation error while triggering javac command. While triggering javac command, you are getting one compilation error. No suitable method found. No argument method. No argument print method is not available. You are getting an error. Compilation error. You won't get a Q dot class. Check in the classes folder. There is no Q dot class. Check in the classes folder. There is no Q dot class. Print method without supplying anything. How you can use print having only one feature, that is printing feature. You should supply something to print. Come on. There is no meaning of using print without any argument. Print ln without argument. It is at least producing new line. There is a meaning. Print method. It is introduced only for the printing. You have to supply something to print. If you are not supplying something to print, there is no meaning of usage. That is why this type of method is not available. You will get compile time error. Whenever compilation error, class file will not be generating. If class file is not generating, you cannot run. Running is through class file only. If you run through Java command, you will be getting, I'm not able to find a class. Class not found exception. There is no class available. Yes or no? Confusion. क्या करना? What are the differences between println and print? Println dual features, printing and producing a new line. Print method having only one feature. One feature, that is printing feature. This is one difference. One more difference. No argument println is allowed. No argument print is not allowed. No argument println is allowed. While using no argument println, you are getting a new line. While you are using no arg print, you are getting compilation error. It's not a suitable statement. Avoiding usage of no argument print method. These two differences are very, very important in case of println and print.